Do you have bags under your eyes and want to make them disappear? Also, did you know it could indicate something wrong inside your body? Follow me, and I'll demonstrate the best techniques and massages to get rid of them. Let's kick off with a tapping massage. What's tapping? Tapping is, see this that I'm doing, these taps, okay? But first, before we do tapping and massage, it's important to get rid of the bags under your eyes. When are we going to do it? We will do this massage when? In the morning, always in the morning without fail. But why? It's a way to slightly empty, to assist in draining this particular region as well. It's also crucial that we will do it for 5 weeks. 5 weeks, morning. Additionally, we will take a before photo and a picture of the after. For what reason? In order to observe the distinction. You may question whether to use oil or not. The answer is yes, but be cautious. Let's proceed with extracting it. We should start extracting it right away. Therefore, we must use the oil available in this location, alright? Use your fingers. Just use 2 of them and do a bit here. Okay, here together. We will begin slowly from the inside to the outside, alright? Do you see that the little bones are about here? So, go right there and start here. Tap as if you were doing this, like a little kitten, okay? Begin here, like a kitten. Softly, 2 fingers. And take note, because when we come back, we will use all 3 fingers. Now we must apply a small amount of oil in order to proceed efficiently with the task. Watch your eyes. Listen up, okay? Here and there we will repeat. Here, let's activate circulation. We will drain a bit. Always from the inside to the outside. And how long are we going to do this? If you follow me a bit, notice how good it feels. For 1 minute, okay? First we do tapping. This would be it. What are the benefits we can expect? We will effectively minimize the appearance of fine wrinkles and revive our skin in the morning. Fluid accumulation in the tissue around the eyes causes bags to appear, resulting in a swollen appearance. The presence of under-eye bags can be attributed to several factors, such as fluid retention, the natural process of aging, inadequate sleep, and high levels of stress. It may indicate issues with blood circulation, lymphatic flow, or even kidney function. Its main function is to maintain the body's fluid balance. The skin beneath the eyes is extremely delicate and sensitively responds to swelling, which becomes highly apparent. Our intention is to instruct you on this matter, how to remove them. For the second tapping, what will we do? Well, pay attention. We'll use 2 fingers, starting the same way, okay? And from the inside out, alright? Notice that here is the little bone, so let's go a tiny bit lower and almost pressing where the bone is. Never press inside the eyes, never inside, never here. Always beneath or around the bone, alright? And we begin here, okay? We are going to apply a stronger pressure. Notice how I'm doing it. We enhance one of the benefits here, the elasticity of the skin too, okay? We also boost the skin's microcirculation. Light taps up, 20 outward. Same path, different intensity, a bit stronger and a bit closer together with the fingers. This would be the second. For the third part of tapping, what will we do? In this particular instance, we will initiate from this point. You see, we will slightly raise our eyebrows. We shall engage with our index fingers, alright? Should you find yourself lacking oil, simply acquire a small amount. With 1 finger, alright? Then with the other, add a little. Be careful they don't drop. Here, stretch the eyebrows a bit and right at the pupil line, be careful not to have too much oil. Here, eye, and here, alright? Let's give a little tap, always with the eyebrows up, okay? Here. We will remain here for approximately 30 seconds, as if we are indicating with a single finger, okay? We'll be here for a bit. Ruben, could you explain the purpose of our actions? Our focus is on enhancing the microcirculation around the eye area. It is worth noting that this approach will also benefit the lower part of the eye, which is why we are committed to this course of action, alright? And then above the eyebrow, which by the way is also an acupuncture point. Let's give a bit more tap now. Why? Because we want to enhance the situation. It's not so, okay? The skin can take a bit more tapping there, okay? And how much longer are we going to continue with this? Besides, it's extremely calming, alright? Give me just 1 minute, okay? After this, we won't be tapping anymore, but we will now start the process of draining. Lymphatic drainage massage. How are we going to do this? Well, it's really easy and very relaxing. Let's begin here, okay? Tips of the nose, right? Before going inside, watch out. Here, alright? Good. 2 fingers are enough, at least to start, okay? See, we'll move down the cheeks beneath the bone, and from here to the temples, alright? Now we'll begin with 2 fingers. Begin by experimenting with 1 finger, then progress to using both. Take note, it's right here. And from here, from the nostrils, going down under the bone to the temples, right? Following the entire path of the bone. And we go back again, we tap, alright? This will help reduce facial swelling, that's why it's drainage, okay? We're draining the fluids from the face. And we'll repeat this around 10 times. You'll see how nice it is you feel going out like this. And as it couldn't be missed, in this case, to reduce swelling, we're going to use some spoons that are cold for sure, okay? Remember from the night before, can you please put a small spoon in the fridge? It would be really helpful. Initially, I have already applied the oil. Otherwise, I'd have to add a small amount of oil here as the first step. Or always moisten the spoon a little, or around here, okay? And begin working, okay? Let's do this. Good. You'll know it right away because the massage is similar. But now with the cold, that will reduce swelling in that area, okay? We start here, not down low. Not up here in the center, okay? And from here, notice how I grip my fingers, alright? Let's see how you're holding yours. Thumbs inside. Okay? The other 4 here. And let's stretch a little, alright? Here. Perfect towards the temples, okay? Apply a moderate amount of pressure. Avoid excessive force and maintain a medium pressure level for optimal results. And you should feel a bit of chill, alright? You should notice it now, since this morning. Good, 10 times. And we're activating and lessening that pulse near the eyes. Attention, I'm going with the best massage. Look out. Notice. Where are we headed? 2 for the bladder, okay? Also a bamboo point, alright? So it moves a little, right? So follow me here. Watch what I'm doing. Keep your fingers moving. Instead of going for the eye, stay a bit here. Boom. As you ascend, make sure to create a tiny circular motion. When you pull up, that's exactly where we should position ourselves. Remember not to apply excessive pressure, alright? Simply close your eye partially, and there. Moving in an upward direction while creating small circular motions, okay? In and out. The important thing is to move that area a bit, okay? You can stay there for 20 or 30 seconds. And then notice what we're going to do, which is to include this massage. Wow, that's nice. Around the whole eye, we go back up. Exercise caution when touching the tear duct to avoid injury to the eye. We'll keep doing that movement. Make sure to notice that we're throughout the whole eye socket, without going in, but here. We're providing a massage to relocate the whole region with precision. So if you finish this massage, awesome, because you'll leave now. Without bags, right? I truly hope you had a great time. 51 characters. The tapping, the drainage, the technique, all the small spoons, everything we've accomplished to reduce the bags under the eyes. And well, you know, as usual, like, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for updates to recovery and more.